Students, this is your IT class. It's a unit number 4 and name of the unit is electronic spreadsheet. This is session number 2 and the topic is enter and edit the text in spreadsheet. In LibreOffice Calc, you can enter three types of data in cells. First one is numbers. Numbers are values or date. Second is formulae. Third is text or labels. Now, first one is numbers. Numbers are generally raw numbers or dates. By default, number and date data is aligned to the right in Cal. A decimal point is used as a separator for decimal numbers and a comma is used as a separator for numerical values in thousands and 100, thousands, etc. Next one is formulae. Formula is a mathematical expression to perform calculation on data in cells. For example, to perform addition on the data in the cells A1, B2 and C3 and display the result in D4, the formula will be equal to A1 plus B1 plus C1 in the cell D4. Information. A formula or function always begin with an equal to sign. Next is text or labels. Text includes a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. By default, text data is aligned left side, whereas numbers are aligned right side, and the text data is aligned left side. Next is creating formulas. You can enter formulas in two ways, either by using the function wizard or by directly into the cell or into the input line. A formula must begin with an equal symbol. So when you typing in directly, you need to start a formula with one of the following symbol equal to, plus or minus. Next one is operators in formulas. Each cell on the worksheet can be used as a data holder or a place for data calculations with formulas. The equal to sign indicates that the cell will be used for a calculation. Next is mathematical operators. Mathematical operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, exponentiation, and divide. Apart from the operators, the operator precedence needs to be ascertained so that expression can be evaluated correctly. This one is the table regarding operator precedence. First preference is bracket, second one is exponentiation, third one is divide and multiplication, fourth one is addition and subtraction. Next one is formulae with cell address and operators. In a formula in Cal always starts with an equal sign. For example, the formula equal to A1 multiplied by B2 will return the product of the numbers stored in A and B2 if A stores 15 value and the B contains 12 value. So the result is 180. For string operators, the following operator is useful. That operator is ampersand. Ampersand is used for string concatenation. For example, equal to A1 ampersand B2 will combine the string within A1 and B2 and place it as the formula cell. Next one is if A1 contains Abhishek and B2 contains Kumar, the formula is equal to A1 ampersand B2 will give the result Abhishek Kumar. Let's take another example equal to A1 plus B1 plus C1 multiplied by D1 and the values of A1, B1, C3 and D3 contain 1, 2, 3 and 4. The formula evaluates to 15. Like this, C3 value is 3 and D3 value is 4. 3 multiplied by 4 is equivalent to 12, and A1 plus B1, A1 value is 1, B1 value is 2, 1 plus 2 plus 12. So the result is 15. Use of functions. Functions are predefined formulas in Cal. For example, you may want the average of range of cells. For that, equal to average A colon A1 colon AE1. The above function will take the range of cells as A1 to E1 and then compute the average of the same. Some of the other functions that are frequently used are sum, difference, today, maximum, minimum, not, and eighth one is or. There is a range, there is a large set of functions which can be seen if you check the insert menu and function of Cal. I hope you understand this lecture.